The West Yorkshire Moors, where two great writers, Charlotte and Emily Bronte, lived. Their best-known books, Jane Eyre and Wuthering Heights, were like the Moors, dramatic, austere and romantic. They lived in the 1800s in the village of Haworth with 4 brothers and sisters. Their father was the minister at the village church. The children all died by the age of 30, except Charlotte. Charlotte Bronte lived on alone with her father in this house. Then, at 38, she married. But only 9 months later, she too died and was buried in the village church by her old father. Not far from Haworth is the market town of Skipton. If you're not a farmer, it's hard to understand the auctioneer, even if you're British. But you can still enjoy the drama of the auction.
Hey? How many have you brought? 140. Don't take all the money. Leave a bit for me.
These farmers speak with a Yorkshire accent. You'll find that each region of Britain has its own accent.
Growing less and more expensive.
That's right, aye. Another 4 season job.
Aye.
Opposite the sheep market is an old cotton mill. Its tall chimney reminds us of the time when machines were driven by steam. These monuments to early industry are carefully preserved, not always an easy job. In the 1800s, this canal was crowded with boats carrying coal to drive the steam engines, until the railways came. The British loved to preserve their old steam trains. For visitors, it's a good way to see the countryside. You can see Britain's industrial past too. Old towns where mill workers lived, and some of the world's oldest industrial buildings. These ruins remind us of the Industrial Revolution that began in Britain 200 years ago and changed the world.